you will see huge changes on the iPhone 7. Even though it was released in 2016, it still handled very well for iOS 15. Like you can see, like from like scrolling, jumping from app to app, it is still smooth, and most of the app work well on the iPhone 7 here. So like jumping, like switch from app to app, it has no problem at all. And for game, it is acceptable. Like you can play the high graphic game and some normal game, it does work well as well. But what I'm gonna address in this video, you're gonna see like many changes on the iPhone 7. So in June, you're gonna see iOS 18 beta 1, and you can go ahead and try it on your iPhone 7 as well. I'm 100% sure that the iPhone 7 will be support iOS 18. For those of you that own the older device, you will be concerned that it does not support your device, but I'm sure that the iPhone 7 will support iOS 18, and you will be able to try some new feature. I think at the same time, Apple will be eliminate the iPhone 6s or 6s Plus, but if you own the iPhone 7, you are lucky. After that, in September, you're gonna see iOS 18 official, which means that you can go ahead and update it on your device. So you can update directly by software update. So let me remind that in September you're gonna see that. And because every time Apple release the new iPhone, the iPhone 14, you're gonna also receive the new update as well for your older iPhone. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this quick update, and then I will see you guys in the next one.